Hello everyone, now that the weather's getting colder, you have to try this cabbage and tofu stew. It's packed with nutrients, costs just a few bucks to make a big pot, and the more you eat, the more you love it. First, prepare a block of soft tofu and slice it into thin pieces. After slicing, place the tofu on a plate and set aside. Take a few clean leaves of Chinese cabbage and tear them into pieces by hand. Hand-torn cabbage absorbs flavor better. Cut a few soaked shiitake mushrooms into strips. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. Cut an appropriate amount of scallions into sections. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Prepare 1 green chili pepper and cut it into rings. Slice 2 bird's eye chilies into rings as well. After cutting, place them on a plate and set aside. Now let's make a sauce. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to a bowl. Add 1 spoonful of oyster sauce. Add 1 spoonful each of salt, chicken bouillon, and sugar to enhance the flavor. Add a pinch of pepper and half a bowl of water. Stir well with a spoon. Add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil's hot, add the tofu and pan fry it. Gently shake the pan to heat the tofu more evenly. Once one side is golden, flip the tofu over. Fry the tofu until all sides are golden brown. Alright, take it out and set aside. Next, crack 3 fresh eggs into the pan and fry them into sunny side up eggs. Once one side's golden, flip the egg over. Fry the eggs until both sides are golden brown. This makes them more fragrant. Once done, take them out and set aside. Add a little oil to the clay pot, and once it's hot, add the scallions, ginger, and garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the shiitake mushrooms and stir fry until aromatic. Add the torn pieces of Chinese cabbage. Add the tofu as well. Place the fried eggs on top. Pour in the prepared sauce. Sprinkle with green chili and bird's eye chili. Cover with a lid and simmer for about 6 minutes. It's done. Open the lid. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. This way of making cabbage and tofu stew is bursting with aroma, rich in nutrients, and deliciously savory. When the weather gets cold, simmer a pot. It's warming, perfect with rice or as a side for drinks. If my video has been helpful to you, please kindly give it a like and share it. Thank you for your support.